Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to zoom in and zoom out windows in Windows 11. When you want to zoom, click on cursor, then press window key plus key. And you see here, and click here cursor, press window plus key. And you see here, window is zoom. Okay. For zoom out, press window key and minus key. Okay. Same. I am open what file and show you zoom in zoom out. Okay, uh, you see this is our word file. Click on anywhere on word file. Now press window key plus key. Now you see this document is zoom. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.